Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasif Hassan and welcome to Nasif IT. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how can you design these things easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all we have to create a page. To do it, we have to click on the file, then we have to click on a new. Then click on art and illustration. Then you have to select pixels. You can also select inches. So I am selecting inches. So after selecting this, you have to click on this box, then you have to type here 7, then you have to click on this box, then you have to type here 4, then you have to click on the advanced option, then you have to select 300 ppi, then you have to click on the create. So after creating the page, you have to select the rectangle tool, then you have to draw a rectangle in here, then you have to click on the fill, then you have to select the black color, then click on OK. Then you have to select this, then you have to click on here and you have to lock this. So after that you have to select the line segment tool, then you have to press and hold the shift key, then you have to draw a straight line in here. So after that you have to click on the stroke, then you have to select the white color, then select the move tool, then drag this in here, then you have to click on the properties. So if you don't find the properties panel, so you have to click on the windows, then you have to select properties from here. So then you have to click on the stroke, then you have to click on this box, then you have to select this dot from here, then you have to click on this box, then select the dot again, then you have to click on here, then you have to select 0.25 pt. So after that you have to click on here, then you have to select this again, then you have to click on the effect, then you have to select this, you have to select this option, then you have to select transform from here, then click on this box, then type here 99, then you have to click on this box, then change the angle to 11 degree, then you have to click on this box and type here 100, then you have to click on the OK. So after that you have to select this again, then you have to click on the object, then click on expand appearance. So after that you have to click on the windows, then you have to select gradient from here, you have to select the gradient panel from here, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then you have to click on stroke, then you have to select any color from here, then click on OK, then click on here, then you have to select this, then click on here, then you have to click on here, then select any color from here, then you have to go into this panel, then you have to select this color from here, then you have to click on here and take a point again, then you have to click on here again, then you have to select this color, then you have to select this, then click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to select this color, then select this and drag this in here, then you have to select the move tool, then click on here. After that you have to select all layers, then you have to select the blur tool. So if you don't find it, you have to click on these icons, you have to click on this 3 dot, then you have to click on here, then you have to select advanced. So after that you have to select it, then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on this arrow, then you have to double click on here, you have to double click on this tool, then you have to click on this box and type here 1.8, then you have to click on this box, then type here 1.8 again, then you have to click on the OK, then you have to click on here. So after that you have to select the move tool, then you have to click on here. So now here you can see our design has been completed. So in this way you can design this easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.